fa menzo to soma me ho na menka no ho asem sisi na yes enti director na edaso no na munti asem ni yo ten waso na tie ni yie waso no akasa ni before say Asante Kotoko no wa ba be somu no na cheso follow Kotoko gidi sabe na Kotoko da 4 position afi ewie league no na was akọhwe Kotoko to 8 no si da bi behind the scenes adwuma wa Kotoko ho no so na a lot and also mo ye ansa na Kotoko self adumu abadumu that of football yo that is a Stanley Menzo then seven na otin CCA
when Asante Kotoko become 8, there's something wrong. So my first assessment was, why did they become 8? When I start to follow them, they were around 4th place, and suddenly they became 8th. So there was something wrong. You know, it's the first thing you have to assess. Why? Where does it come from? Why do they don't perform? It's a big fight, but it was not good. You know, it was not Asante Kotoko. What we met, what I met, what I saw, and what I heard. It has to be. It was in the beginning hard. It's still hard, but you have to start work hard on it, and not only we, all of us, the fans, the players on the pitch, and of course we want to be champion. But those things are not, we can't switch it overnight. It's not so easy, especially when it's for a long time ongoing. Those things we have to change, and in the meantime we want to perform. We have to perform because that's what the fans want. But in the meantime, at the background, there's a lot of work to do. So we know what we're busy with, and that's why I think that it was a good moment now to come out and a little bit settled down now. But I also know what's going on and where we have to start and where we want to end. And sometimes you have to be patient. I'm impatient. I want to things quick, but sometimes I have to be patient, and I hope people around us also can be patient.
Guswama o Facebook na ho na wunya maya tutumeka search for Repa Radio on Facebook. Visa mane na so biem na menene nwie ye. Stanley Menzo, director of football de Kotoko. Na abusua utie ne nkomodie no a oto asoko na nim ye papa. Na utie we di ka bo wie ne dia. Ti ebra na nsanjofo ye o. Coach we never na ye so no. Ni abodi na chendara za Kotoko no na obefa. Nti watiti de na no wasre no so follow Kotoko from 4th afi ewie ya 8 oso no akasa time no ba no gidi say ye na adwuma wo ho a oso ye nti de nkan eno no na Menzo se Kotoko kase no e wo se wunya obi a wonim de se de mpanyansi di onum to nya ginja atwon na no o se wunya obi onim de no manage Kotoko in terms of infrastructure na ni behwe ho na commercials na no so wo ye na de bioma handle Kotoko no professionally na bibia konanim ewo Fred no so.
A football club has to be led by footballers because they know about footballers. You know, you can't bring a bank manager into football. He doesn't know how, if the ball is round or, you know, square. He doesn't know. So players or football people have to manage a football club. But we are not footballers. We know about football, but a commercial part, we don't know. I don't know all the commercial parts. So for that part, you need another kind of people. And I'm appointed for all the things that's football, from the youth development till football facilities till name it. It's all part of my job. You have meetings with clubs. We have to talk about football. You know, there are certain standards that you need to have as a club. I have to be sure that those standards are there. And at the background, I am backed up by a board who gives me the room, the space to do my work as a football. That's my role at this moment. It's not good that the president is next on the field and talking with players. No, because a coach is for the players. I don't go there now and then, but it's for the players. I'm around that or above that for the coach, the players, and the environment, the facilities. The most important part of a football director is the long-term plan, strategy, a vision. A coach will be there for maybe 2-3 years, sometimes longer, but technical director has to put the plans for now, but also over 10 years. So he's looking to things that has to be there in 10 years. And that's his role through the club, his role as a director. It's a long-term way of thinking. And that's not always easy, but you have to think long-term. You have to think, who will be my next striker in 4 years? That's how we have to think, and that's how you have to work with coaches, with your club. Over 5 years, I want to be there with the team, with the.
Wow, mutie ni ye die. also we have prolific striker best 10 years jumana me so mo no nya juma ketwa o say emfie mi enso nti say menzo no movie say na asemu a am say na ni so ade hu no Asante Kotoko ya pam no mo nto mo bo nyema nko ya mamfa pressure nkoma no o say adwuma sambati na se dia emfie hia be say du na wo bede for na squad a anu odin ono ankasa no ogiri ye say o say board na man room of space a wo ye adwuma kama na sami anu ho na no metie ne o say football people na o say nko manage football na so mo no mo tie adwuma no mo tie infrastructure tibia ba no waketu be kire na me wada no wakete.
A football club has to be led by footballers because they know about footballers.
Also footballers na ye adwuma no nti ukọ efi wa mo say mo nka ho na omo na dikiu no so Stanley Menzo say no ba bi ofiri ba nti sa anti asante nkomo no de tie no memfa has de nso so na yankeka we ne mo ho ura hazo foka se maka cho se tabo na da has so no na ho prom se be ye afiri ho no mato players na no yama 4 players a has no ma wie na yebetuma break the amount say 4 players nso de no nam 70 to 80% done we be next week ombeka ni nyina abom na afei omdo mo nso din abetudwa na out of players be say 9 o masan ene 9 o mo hwa ni mo so mo de ebeka ho na busu atie ni ye obi an yama one e be say 4 to 5 years contract 4 to 5 years contract yes ma bo 1 year na ka 1 season pe me beko ne boa ye say debi na ene nyina so kra no mfie no supposed to be 22 23 24 abro so 25 o na ni boss adian this we exceptional na wo be 28 bi na has be hu mo bonye say has no a ni boja couple ne squad ne ye no 22 23 24 moja mono no me de baba ye adwuma no na enyema konkanti menwe we na monkeka nyema mom ye koba e de aka ne beto aso e wo ho akomia
over
good enya adwuma no
medase mami flo temra ni mu over ene football nkoda na ebo nkoda no ene wo energy that is why Real Madrid betam over 120 million pounds at the cover young German dia amount for so on tias almost if you say almost too much because or young and prospect they know is one for the future. Real Madrid they sign almost 7 years over so that say 7 years we enjoy no ache by the time we on reaching the peak now the player is with you now the house of folk episode 1 year now house of folk enya what do you call it advice from Omo Club Value Alliance Tottenham and that team what you need to say Tottenham and Cincinnati for no right and they sat them down and they talk them say house of folk want to get the player into the European market. There's an age bracket that you need to prioritize on. So from there, no, how to folk no. That's not to say so munya an exceptional O player mumfa. By 1 or 2 B. About that say in our part of the world, getting government help sponsorship adding to get. You know, at the back one, ubetuma now any year offer ubenya sika and say we catch them young. Now I'm among the right tutorials, right training, normal get you to that top. Right dreams actually. That is why in the Black Stars more players are urban no most of them came from right to dream. Omo picking from Kodemu. But yes, picking by 11 years, you're picking maybe 12 years, you're picking maybe 10 years, and omo develop omo. So yes, house of folk compete. Over clubs no move away from just 3 points. First, our thinking was 3 points. You share without having a long-term planning or long-term planning. And the government say, they need to make sure say the football be a business no. Once you cash it in, now make it the most out of that. See, the young players are register young boys, young talent, and now when these guys energy, and do more the right training, they can compete. Why is it that Barcelona over a classical example? Look at one boy, Paul Kubasi. These are young boys, and I don't work up 18 years. Yami Yaman or Boy Euro Championship 17, and then 18 years. For this guy be money is but over give them the right training. They will play with 30 years and whatever They meet senior players and they make them wanting. So I think that if they can do it and do it well,
long term no ya na enyina nyema menu say fa dia na emfa eno no ya na enkontia club no
sentinu be ma proper training no
okay
what I say o fa no young no over you need say akoda no e wo process say ube develop no what I say o process we so develop no so niema you develop players you need to have it and then also work over I won't say any problem when it comes to facilities. They have man, they have a lot. And one consistency is very key. And you may be comfortable with them changing coaching here and there. No, you need to be consistent with a certain style of play. Now they develop player now. And I was a son, what's another bar, or they need to desist from that, you know. Now at least a coach with 3 years, if possible, another 5 years, we go. Europeans they normally don't do that. They have their programs. So once they all catch them young, no, they should learn from these proper practices. No more no, you see, players no there. That's why the young senior players no more maybe football na could do no. Catch them young and give them proper practices and raise them. Okay. They'll get you money. So they a long term they over struggle, but yeah then that's so that's why go the ready made the wire all now on the boy we are only 3 points now. Now yeah supporters who tear too much. And I say why your firm plan be out there kwa. Yeah not sometime over crash because supporters need there or per se house of folk you go me and nyina mbeto house of folk mo beto kotoko no they no winning. Say you're winning. Sani no yeah nyintum. Now, yeah, oh yes, I did offer communicate with the supporters. No, who baby I you see, some who are there. I think they go with you. Then they be a case example of the habit men's are be any communicate well with Asante Kotoko. No, Satan has share Kotoko 3, Satan has share Kotoko 4. Now the supporters were thinking of habit men's and not leaving the club. No, because I had the war, you know. Say, so the supporters no go through their way. They also go with you. That is exactly. And therefore, I am with the house of folk. You know, I think they are to bear fruit in the near future. Benzo, Asante Kotoko, over. What can I say? We are not Busana make us me. And then make us say Kotoko confirm me Majuma. And you mean to mean direction of Asante Kotoko. But I can only talk about Kotoko man on the plans. Now me expand it.
Talents on the plans.
No, as a journalist we are.
Okay.
Who's not? Yeah, transfer are they going for that quick fix? Yeah,
what's here now?
Elaborate.
Good.
Over elaborate. I don't know. So what transfer? I am pregnant with many issues. Now, Asante Kotoko was started by say. When he started watching Asante Kotoko, no more than 4th. Eventually, Kotoko, your US is not Kotoko the 8th. Now, I saw digest now say, Utimi, yeah, why, what happened? Edu Kotoko Kodi, sir, 8 no. 2, Asante Kotoko, no, they need to plan and take Kotoko from maybe away to the glory days. Glory days, they say, when Kotoko was dominating every season. The one you cry now, the compete the house of folk. Now Kotoko was always as what you league.
Now on a house in a medium money 4 seasons and I'm checking a
last season
medium agenda, Ibaji, or Muni view.
Kotoko 4 years, 5 years, any league. It's just something is missing. Now, how do you go back to that idea? One, you need people who understand the game. That is why I want to believe say board no trans no. Omo consultations omo ye no. Omo arrival say on back of menzo edinaba. Of all the such person ever on board. Now opese utimi build with team na. Ye mfa 1 year, 2 years enka say untimi nye ma yino. Se direction na ode ko no eye papa. Over your baby say ye wo say be kum so na. On prinko kum kusie nkopra. What that say? Because baby I wo ko no so a well plan say we want to reclaim the top glory. You say come back to the Kotoko, Etia and Kotoko, Enya and Din. Edu Kotoko ebeye household name a obia no ekọ internet so a open the biggest club arguably in Ghana, Asante Kotoko. Now we can watch it. It will not take Kotoko a day, a year to get there. So of a gradual process. So I want to believe say that message is what Menzo Ekate, you know. Say yes, of onya win. So what I said, you is not Kotoko Liga ope. But that is not or no topmost priority. Then you league, then you fizzle out.
Now please a striker or political striker.
One
versus yes, future.
No.
But my ghost.
You can chill about. Yeah, can you not guide against selling the players to the European market prematurely? You see the point? Say if Kotoko is properly managed, now the salaries and that stuff, of one they can keep some players here. For some players we go Rwanda, no money. These African countries they not a free Europe no. First no Europeans, first mainstream Europe, and the free and the Eastern Europe no money Arab no. Say there our neighbors in Africa here, including Rwanda, including Tanzania, Libya no, and the Aegean place echo. Omukwa 1 year, 2 years no matter. Actually say omo naturally and push you to that level. It's over. They want to do the right things. I employ Asante Kotoko supporters say they need to go with them. They need to go with them. Going with them no means he say once you try say yeah boy yeah build the corner. Over there will be a time Kotoko might not win the league. But yet I go back to Masum America no. Say who say Kokumus no. Because you know where you want to go. In the course of it, Kotoko can go to the league. Right? Now still in building process no. And now we are
here supporters no say adwene be sesan I say omukapi de wo kan from journalists de wo come and ayede Asante Kotoko na yinim no one season kura be fa won wan ya hey obi anko bi
you were there maybe that can now young kakra
case ne hu
not be now young kakra but you were here it na me more classic example say hey but men's time over that time obe catch Asante Kotoko rebuilding was it 5 years rebuilding na all year Asante Kotoko emu Kotoko struggle pa na dwas bi na ye che Kotoko bas so kai na Kotoko lusu games bi ni akofa power FC players bi ba Alexander Mone Felix Ayimone keeper bi Humphrey obe play on kwa the ball kwa want be answer na Kotoko game. You go through all those ups and downs, it happens, but it's about communication. Kotoko supporters like we are no, even though I'm speaking as a journalist, but the supporters understands as omo the own yasia. Kotoko supporters will rise when it is the offer. Omu the oye. I said yeah, person chom say your team has arrived. But yet no moving. That they will ask questions. But we are aware say we are building a team. And the process in the person yeko. Kotoko supporters ni mu say the Kotoko no be supporting you say na net. Those days are now your boss and Kotoko so say yeah na man for team ka kono enye ni nei. Ukuma pima pim beba no. Ovanya ni nei. So ukuma pim na ma. And you want to go to where ukuma pima pim ni ba. And don't you know it's about how you communicate to your supporters. And the supporters will send it across. Yes that. And I mean that example no. When they get to know this, not so many baby omo kwa. Over omo kwa o say but na dey no. And the buy do Kotoko ba so have Kotoko better to compete here na omo kwa back until so that almost akono. So they need to have a program that is sustainable. That can take them to that glory, you know. And I make us say in so doing we are not this is here maybe Kotoko in league. But that shouldn't be a problem. So I communicate well with the supporters. And no on the indicators on her team no over the call. But the team no ahead too. And I remember those days you follow pa. That time so cast and Kotoko some near you. But how can you say Kotoko people na Kotoko chono Kotoko Express. Seman Tobia of an be free say I said my yeah I'm excited the club. It dey be a really be even though those days na me school you. But make them the coin be about Kotoko Express because your mama who say yeah building okay right and our building it better take here in 5 years of a law and behold Kotoko go to the 4th year not Kotoko African fana And I remember in that game Kotoko against WAC, Kotoko Anshe, almost every Kotoko supporter follow sick because if it's a project in Eko, but we're still not perturbed. Even Nippon was starting here, but Mensa no ko, but no program no ever. If they're not bound to my hand, buy you know, I'll be taking over no. Over they added very little to that. I didn't have it Mensa Babe, you know. Charles Taylor be anyone player, I think Taylor, but even Charles Taylor crown. That time because of months on Kotoko air train. It's more no one can. But it paid off. The next season, Kotoko won the league. The following year, Kotoko South Africa. Then Kotoko started a year. You man now must compete. That's what baby supporters no. And that time no, over that time Kotoko supporters springing up. Because we have a catch all. Kotoko supporters circles and then they started springing up more under Herbert Mensah's administration. Because that time no, the supporters understood the now way. He communicated with them very well. And I want to believe that I don't have Menzo Erken. So in some of Menzo Erken, so trans and America are pregnant with many issues. That's not to say ABI in the process, Kotoko is not going to compete. But for competing for just 3 points, maybe you're not team no is in disarray, no, a team of the past. Omuntias yes, sir. Say yes, they will compete, but they will compete well, whereby plan is sustainable, they can take Asante Kotoko to maybe a the team. So and for that, this interview is something that I will always want to listen to and digest and expand it. That is our job. To expand it, to let the supporters know when the team is heading to.
But I say, I come here, Sechi, Mamenko, Obra, Hona, Danger Man, Ebe Yejman, Michael Usu, when the Busa question, na. Me yes say be ho adwuma e dia ma no but danger wo nti wo de beka de me de guwe ho na wawuram e wo de etodwa e wo Legon sanse onya ne tese player na sa return back ama wie wa hye ne ho a wo ye adwuma gidi danger wana sa tia to fom wo Kotoko training ground so yi
of ansa na meko eno ma me fan free hawada roma
okay
o de Mike onya abotre de nyina beba
okay
ya tra si de bibia
Mike ne busa yi
bibia ensa so bia de beba
ai
ye ka say ye yi no Black Meteors ni Vision FC bo ayokufa kan si wo eye Legon Park na at a point no na Vision na Black Meteors LED Vision 2 pictures na ye dey go TV ne so no at a point na Black Meteors LED Vision 2 but say Vision ate baako ama aye 2-1 na guess who are in attendance of course University of Ghana park ne so
I was park ni
you see insane ko
Ewrade ama Ghana ya bra ade bibia je se
you tu ani esusu ohona bi ye bibia
na hunu but ye bibia na kwese se bia ye kura ba fia ne ko pentifie sade no bibini su ba ya no no ana je se ye ko bobo dia ye kai park no
na me je se
season ni baba ne ko kai park no
se no ne ya ma ne huni na ko ba ne se du bia no nko na ye timi yusu na ye tu ye ni si so a
ana no so hoba
so
na ya don kwa no ya se green kakra bi wo mu die
na fa ite we na titem
etitemo be praise je na azetemu
because
you're
running season area code was season se be sakura
na ko me so to sa ana ka
and to gidi
fifi
ba anu pa na ma ayini ya yi no
na ekora
ya na gidi bi o mu
anu na ko from straight gidi ya fast asinani
okay
but when na ko from nya botira no na eyi so ho nti
come see how na actions no
in attendance the director of sports of Krobia Metema Kumasi Asante Kotoko
where ho
wafa me so ya bo match na say director of sports wo ho so where dey ho
na say me pese me hu na nwumre wo jana dey ho na wa ba ha
also in attendance is Eric the Tinkerman
omo nyina
ono so wo ho no enti no omo e wo ho a omo hwe
ena da so no wo se yakoso he
University of Ghana
send your okay
Omo te ford no so hwe bi omo ni abro omo ni akonhoma
hwan hwan
Black Meteors any Vision FC
nti me hwe mu aya me hu Meteors ba ku bi na Vision ba ku bi eno so
we are konfu akmeka
so te ford no so hwe no
Vision FC born visa for vision player no to so oni
yes
ninti no ma storm ho no
vision player no
vision player no
wow
oni ninti no ma storm ho no ninti no ma ti say ma post on Facebook wo ninti no
relax ne be adwuma na ma ko ya
o do di na me go say me tu da me
ya break information say na adwuma na ye no we dey say akora we so
o bo o jinamu den
all that's way 27 jesi
yeah very Emmanuel Sanja
obo vision
FC
na fi atwa mu no jinamu
wo jinamu didin nkra no be discipline kuma say refi
Emmanuel Sanja
o kan nkra bi no be di agro dika kuma say akoye no o jinamu
woni
wona da so no
Facebook Emmanuel Sanja
ofaso ya la atam
what you na to ana
ha nya na asese
oh dabi so mo busa me Facebook ntia na mbusa say aha so be sad na to so ntia
be sad na to
so me sure so no na obo ni
ya Emmanuel Sanja no
okay
Emmanuel Sanja no and you know the thinker himself
okay
and Menzo obo akasanga sati we do muti stadium obi o we dey next scout bi na ko fa ba na say obi na comment comment say and say the video bi ko kire wo mu wo muti ho wo ma bi mo fi o ni asika fiko wo mu krom pen
ban sa press so ni tikro be si for mu
ene wo mbeti
ba ya mo hwe ni mienu o mo hwe ro sa hwe bi ma ka ho o hwe ne de no kwa timi di si bu won de ya futu ne ba ko pe
ofa ekoso
you good
ekoso wo ho no ma
go my ho ya follow ma na 2-1 okay
back metro issue 2 ena vision abeti ba nti eguso e monitor de besi bia no ye de eno so ebe ba be ka ho den
ma me say wa de no busa 10 class wo ni news so na wa ma ni news wo no ma me say wa fa bi mu ma why danger ma electric ho ni
we de
Eric Tinkler